friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Well, in today's video, I will show you how we can recycle the materials which we mostly throw it out when it is of no use, when if it gets broken or we have used it so much, we'll throw it out. Obviously, it's of no use for us, right? So even same happened with me. My mom was like, these materials are of no use for us, so can you just throw it out? Then I got this idea of no, let me just recycle it. I mean, reused it. I have not done much. Just by giving a painting that materials, it looks so good, and you feel like, oh, okay, it's a new thing which I have got in the market. So don't forget to see this video full, because maybe at least one of the idea is very useful for you guys. And let me know like which is your favorite DIY in this video, or the recycle what I have done in this video. And if you guys try any of this DIY or recycling the materials, or any new ideas you guys have, please share your pics with me on my Instagram DM. I'll share my Instagram ID in the description box, so you can go there and check my Instagram ID and share your pics if you have tried any of the DIYs, or if you try anything new as well. So I'll be very happy to share it on my page. Get into the video. So if you liked my work, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, friends. Bye bye. We'll meet soon.